If you've been using the simulator keyboard to test out your version of MemeMe, you may have noticed a little problem, especially when editing this bottom text field. Wah, wah. The keyboard covers up the text field and leaves the user stuck. One can avoid this by shifting the entire view up, like so. To isolate the keyboard issue, let's build a simple app. Here I've got an app with a text field and an image. The text field's at the bottom, and it gets covered up if we don't shift the view. Shifting the view is simple. Remember way back when we built Click Counter from scratch in code? To place our views, we used the frame property. That's the property we'll use to shift the main view up. More specifically, frame.origin.y. The point where y equals 0 is at the top of the screen. To move the view up above the keyboard, we subtract the height of the keyboard, like so. But how will we know when the keyboard is about to slide up? This is where NS notifications come in. In short, NS notifications provide a way to announce information throughout a program, across classes. To announce information like the keyboard appearing or disappearing. For more details, see the upcoming text note on the NS Notification Center. Kind of like we subscribe to mailing lists, objects have to subscribe to or observe notifications. In this block of code, the view controller is signing up to be notified when an event is coming up. The event UI keyboard will show. We'll call this subscribe to keyboard notifications method up here and view will appear. When the event UI keyboard will show occurs, the method keyboard will show is called, and that method shifts the frame. But right now the compiler's complaining because we haven't implemented this getKeyboardHeight method. Notifications carry information in a user info dictionary. The UI keyboard will show notification carries the keyboard frame in its user info dictionary. So that's how we get the keyboard height. So now let's see this keyboard shift in action. But let's not forget, just like with mailing lists, eventually we need to unsubscribe. So here's the method to unsubscribe from keyboard notifications. And we'll call this unsubscribe method up here and view will disappear.